What's up, Super Sophia and Magnificent Madison fam? And today we're doing another Play-Doh Town video. Play-Doh. No, I'm just kidding. All right, I just dropped the Play-Doh. Today I've been making a lot of Play-Doh Town videos because I've been wanting to catch up with the other YouTubers that are making tons of Play-Doh videos, but I'm not making that much Play-Doh videos today. I'm probably gonna make like I don't even know. So yeah, I just made a new color of Play-Doh. It's really hot because I just made it. I've been what I do is I use the lard, borax, glue, and water, and put it all there together, and then you mix, and it kind of gets like slime, and you play. Ow, it really burns. You play with it, it gets white. So then you put like, and you need contact solution to make it like, and then it would get like harder. How come I keep doing that? You're not supposed to put it in the microwave, but I put it in the microwave to make it more sticky. Because it's clearly sticky. Today I'm going to be doing the thing I mentioned earlier, like I did last video. My dog was farting this morning. Oh, he just farted. Look, his mouth are farting. Oh, you want to see him? He's like a fart bomber. He's in his cage because he will just wander around the house and just like get into stuff, and we don't want to do that, do we? Okay, so we're making a salad today. Since this is hot, we're not going to be using this first. But this is the lettuce, and I have more of that color. I'm just gonna put it in here. We have more of that color. It just went out of the microwave. My mom just handed it to me right now. It's right in there. So that one made it even more hot. We're gonna use this teeny little weenie plate. I wanted to use this, but like, it's not cute. It's just green and ugly. Even though this is green, but it's like kind of flowery, and it's got Play-Doh Man on the top. Let's see if I... Oh, it would have landed. I'm trying to land it on this, like the way it's supposed to be. Oh! Oh. Alright, so, oops. I'm gonna make a drink. I'm gonna make water. So yeah, this is my water thing. Okay, so. What you're gonna need is, if you're gonna make carrots first, you're gonna get your carrots. Oh, I have more, but I don't need this. It's getting dry. No, my majestic orange. I found like a container that was in my drawer in my room, and it was for blue, like. It was for a blue, but like there was nothing, and I opened it because I was looking for my Play-Doh for like the video, and I looked in the drawer, and there was this like container right here, and it was blue, but there was nothing in it. Like when I opened up the container, like there was no blue Play-Doh. So then I washed it out, and then I put this thing in it. So yeah. So I found a container for my majestic orange. So yeah, I'm gonna make some cheese. I really feel like, I don't have cheese. Get yellow, Ambus, get yellow. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so first thing you're gonna flatten it. It's a salad. and cut off the edges. So boom, got them. Got them apples. So now, all right, we got the, okay. Alright, so my mom just asked me where the play date people. Yeah. They're having a play date, my little sister. So, yeah. So the people took some of my Play-Doh because they forced me and I gave it to them. But it's the color I don't really need. So yeah, but I said if I need that color, I'll switch them out for a color I really don't need. So I'm probably gonna need like 3 of these little carrots. Oh, first I need the salad. So I'm gonna, yes, this is better. So I'm gonna take this, no, I need this just in case I need that. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Oh, it's getting harder. So I'm gonna like cut it into like strips.
Maddie, no. I need a paper plate. That's scratch.
Sorry, my mom told me to use this paper plate because I was cutting up the table. I don't know if you can see, but there was like tons of cuts. So, BRB guys, the little ones are here. They're here again. So much confusing today. I mean, right now, because I've been making this video for about a day. These whole videos. So I'm using all, if I can. I know this plate isn't that big, but we're gonna need it. They're making a video on Logan's channel. Go to Logan's channel and y'all can figure that out at Logan, which is his name. So I'm gonna make like sprinkles. I'm gonna make it go out of the plate. So you're gonna need to do that, like make it go out of the plate, kind of. But like for each to make it look like a salad. So like you don't even need like the middle unless you want it to be. Like anybody can do that, but I don't know what it's gonna look like or if it's gonna even look good. But I'm gonna need as much as I can get. You want it to kind of get out of the thing, but you want to cover all of the space you can get. You're coming back with my fork. Thank you. Now go. So then you're gonna get your thing, your thing, and you're going to cover it in orange carrots. Okay, I got the carrots. Like I used all the carrots. Oh, they're coming back. BRB guys. So this actually looks really good. Like, so good. So now I'm gonna get, since like I used the green for salad, I'm gonna need this again for like little, I don't know, green beans or something. So making it different shape. That is my salad. I'm not done. Trust me, I'm not done. What else I use in my salad is I get these, like, I don't know, croissants or whatever. Or those things. Croissant, no, it's not a croissant. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the ranch that I used last time. And, ooh, it feels weird. And I'm gonna use it for like those square things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna Okay, I just cut a little square. And I'm gonna put them on top. I'm gonna do that for the next one. Kind of looks like meat, so it's actually meat, guys. Meat. That one didn't turn out well. But, I mean, they're not supposed to be perfect. So I'm not going to show you until I'm done, making a little suspense. Because, like, dude, who doesn't want suspense? Like, okay, so you can see it a little bit, but probably gonna make one more, because that kind of, nah, that kind of looks good. Alright, here's the big salad. That is my salad. It looks rad. It looks so cool. Let's do the